I just made my coffee. Today I'm filming another day in the life of a college student. I'm super excited because in this video I'm working with Victoria's Secret Pink, which is like really cool. If you couldn't tell already, I'm sporting the Christmas PJs of the season. If you know me, I am like a Christmas fanatic. And because I go home for a month in December, I always just like to start Christmas early, really stretch it out. Right now it's 8:45. I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. Then I'll also get to show you guys what I'm wearing, take you along to class. Okay, I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. The first thing that I always do every single day is make my bed. It just honestly helps me get productive at the very start of the day. We're gonna do that. To do my makeup literally every single morning. It's kind of boring for me to start getting ready. I can turn on YouTube or music or whatever I want to play in the morning. I feel like doing my hair this morning, and this often happens because I sleep with my hair wet. It honestly does not make sense to use any heat product on it, so I'm probably gonna just get some oils and sprays and put it in my hair so that it looks half decent. Okay, now that I'm all ready, I'm gonna get dressed for today, and I'm gonna be wearing some pieces from the Victoria's Secret Pink holiday collection, which I'm super excited about. They sent me all of these goodies. Honestly, their collection is so cute. This hat is so adorable. You guys know I'm on ski team, and the hats with the little pom-poms are my absolute favorite. This is what I'm gonna actually wear today. I love these Sherpa things for college because they're just so cozy. So I'm gonna wear that today with the campus leggings, this long sleeves tee, which is a super cute army green color. They have a bunch of new sweatshirts in their collection, and this one's super cute because it's got like the little stripe on the arm and it says pink in a maroon color. This is part of their holiday collection. These are their Christmas pajamas and their holiday slippers, which are so fun. I like the rose gold color because it matches the little dog. So I'm gonna get dressed and I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, I am all ready for the day. I got dressed. I put my pink Sherpa on. This thing is so soft, and I'm officially convinced that I want this in every color because they have it in like cream, they have it in pink. Mom, if you're watching this, I want this in different colors for Christmas. You feel me? Anyway, I'm wearing this, and then I have my green long sleeves underneath, wearing the campus leggings, and then I paired it with these Nike shoes because I have been like loving red shoes. I don't know what it is, but I like red shoes. I have a little bit more time before I have to leave, so I'm gonna actually make breakfast. If you know me, I don't like always have breakfast, which is not good. If I have time, I will make breakfast. Plus, my mom just got me my favorite yogurt, so we're gonna go get that. Breakfast time. This is my favorite yogurt. Oh god, I'm making a mess. Oh my, that wasn't what we were going for. I want to sit on the patio, but if these seats are wet, oh no, they're not like that bad. Really loud out here, so you probably can't hear me. We're just gonna eat the breakfast. T1! She thinks I'm in my room, but I'm not.
I got a little concerned because I over by your room. I even looked in it and you weren't there.
I almost forgot to brush my teeth. That would have been bad.
You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
Came back from class. Yes, we're going to the house right now because I don't want to pay for food. Soup and tater tots. Soup and tater tots today, but usually I go to the EMU. Soup and taters. Is this recording? Yeah. Hey guys.
I'm vlogging now.
I hate to say this, but I'm going upstairs.
I guess I'll just do it. Okay, so this is what kind of like a lunchtime looks like.
It's big little reveal week, so all the baskets are out in the house, and they're very cute, so I'll just show you guys some of them because I posted on my, oh my God, what? This is beautiful. I want to be KDK. Dang, that's a nice basket. Oh my, that one's like very aesthetically pleasing. We're going up to Katie's room because she's making me eat upstairs with her, so I'm bringing my food. What are you shopping for?
I dumped a cup of coffee on my bedding and so I have to
Dude, that happened to me.
We're gonna go do laundry.
Claire and I are going to our media class right now. Media studies. J314.
Really fun, 2 hours.
Really fun, 2 hours. But it's actually a good class. It's just really long. They should shorten it. I got out of class 20 minutes early. Look who it is.
Similar outfits right now.
Yeah, we do have similar outfits. We didn't plan it. So funny because Claire and I were talking about how that class needs to be shorter and then just happened to be on that day.
You're just really vlogging out here right now.
I really am.
I'm
no
shook.
fear.
I don't know why that song's stuck in my head.
I
think I listened to it while I was getting
Where are
ready.
we going?
Well, I'm figuring Brendan will probably pick us up over here. I'll call him.
Okay, well, my house is over there.
He's gonna drive you to your house.
No, he doesn't need to drive me to my house.
Drive over there anyway.
He's just so nice.
Oh, your car is a nice thing for this. Oh, look at this.
It might fall.
No, it won't fall.
I'm a speed racer.
T1 and I are going grocery shopping. We usually go to Trader Joe's, but we're switching it up today.
So maybe that looks good.
Fabulous.
It's perfect. 3 apples, check. The pickles are buy one get one free.
French roast.
Where?
French
This?
roast is something that we haven't had.
We've never tried this. We need to try it. Find the least broken bag. I think this is the winner. San Pellegrino, check. Should we do salt and vinegar chips or Chex Mix?
I say let's mix it up.
Salt and vinegar it is. This is the most unhealthy shopping spree. I promise we're healthier than this. We just are out of everything unhealthy. Okay, seriously, someone loves us today. Our cheese is buy one, get one free. Of course, there's only 1 box left for us. Yuan and I just remodeled the K-Cups for the holidays. We got the new holiday blend. We also got the donut shop peppermint stuff. We just really restocked. We also added some peppermint hot chocolate in here. Taylor and I have just been studying for the past, how long have we been studying? An hour and a half?
An hour, yeah.
We already had a snack platter. We are feeling fueled. I'm doing the learn thing on Quizlet because I'm studying for my anatomy thing. I'm on 67% completion. I don't know, I have 4 different ones in a folder and I've already done 1 and I'm almost done with this one and then I'm gonna do them all tonight. That's the update. We're just gonna keep studying and then we both have open lab. Let's just go back to the study grind.
Without reason or rhyme, I don't know what took you all this time.
So right now it is 6:15 at night and I'm trying to make some dinner because I have to go to the cadaver lab for my open lab session. Every week that we have a test, we all get 1 hour in the lab as like our last minute studying time and they make it so it's fair. So mine's at 7. So I'm the only one here and I honestly don't really like cooking for myself that much. Like it's just not that enjoyable. I'm trying to get clever, but I literally just went to the grocery store and I didn't really buy anything for this. I decided what I wanted. I realized that I'm not that hungry and that's why I'm having a hard time picking. But this is like kind of a pretty typical meal that I'll have. I'll have vegetables, wontons, and then a sauce.
They're wasting life to give our hearts a solar peace of mind. But you just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down. But I can hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a storm. I wake up feeling even.
I woke 15 minutes before I have to leave, so I just made myself quick dinner and I'm gonna actually watch some cranial nerve videos just to prepare myself, so like going into the lab. Okay, I'm running it to lab right now. It's an hour long and I'm not allowed to film in there, obviously. I will see you guys after. I'm doing something really fun. My friend Miranda and I are going Christmas shopping for decor, so yes, I'm gonna bring you along. We're going to Target, it'll be great. We're running to lab because we legit have 3 minutes to get our booty in there. Hey guys, what's up? We're with Miranda.
Okay. She just gave me my belated birthday gift, and there's really bad lighting, but we're gonna open this. You know me too well.
That was just like
she got
a little
me
fun.
Sour Patch.
Dude, you got me
Owls? Duh.
How cute!
Wait, I wanted a new journal. I can like put stuff in this. There's more?
It's in a box. And, like,
Dude,
jewelry
it's a
tray
word
or
bubble
whatever.
and it matches my room.
I know.
You're so cute. Thank you.
welcome.
I need to get a bunch of these little trees. Oh no. Do I get the season to be baking? Let it snow.
Let it snow.
Okay, I think that matches more of my
That'll
vibe.
remind-
Perfect. Look at this. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. The Saint Bernard tradition? I want that.
We have the dog, the reindeer, and like 3 elves.
Okay, comment down below if you guys have an elf on your shelf because I actually want one and I want it to come visit me. This one lights up. Oh, no, it doesn't light up.
Pressed it too many times. I was always that kid.
Good job, Miranda. This matches my room. I can't remember if this is, oh wait, this matches our apartment though. So I need to get the blues. And I feel like I'm shopping at like Build-A-Bear Workshop because everything is mini. No, seriously, do I get the sweater vest one or do I get the gold sparkle one? Dude, I'm spending like 20 bucks on a tree. I mean, 'tis the season, right? Why is the store beeping at us? I literally feel like we are. Why is it beeping? I don't know, but we're the only ones in the store right now. I don't know why. Things are on sale. And these are only $5. Should I get the one that says joy, be merry, or cheers? We're gonna be merry. Wait, we just bought these, but I want the elf ones.
We want the elf ones.
Get the
One or
elf
two.
ones. Just one, because I just bought these snowmans.
Okay, Ashley and I are always crazy at home, and she's like, you need to get 2 of every.
Okay, well we have to, because we have the snowman.
Oh my god.
I'm so excited. Those are gonna sell out in like a heartbeat, literally. I need milk for our hot chocolate. I need milk. And yes, I know I say milk wrong. It's milk or whatever, but my parents taught me wrong. Her bed!
That's my photos. I was Snapchatting all my friends when I like moved in.
Yes.
Obviously. One of my friends, what the heck, was like, where'd you get that star geofilter?
It's not a geofilter.
It's on my mirror.
She has a whole seating area.
Yeah.
There's more? Oh.
We gotta move the fake second.
Oh my god, we can go out there?
Yeah.
Brando, this is yours?
Go.
No way.
The mill looks ugly right now, but like the
You like, you can like wave to people.
I know.
We have the absolute best room. Miranda and I are gonna hang out. This is funny, Miranda, because the last time I filmed one of these like day in my life videos, I ended the vlog and we were together.
We're in my room.
We were in your dorm. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also a huge shout out to Victoria's Secret Pink for sponsoring this video.
Cute though.
Oh, isn't it cute? It's so
Your outfit's
fuzzy.
really cute.
I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.